Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, October 26. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has reassured residents in communities surrounding National Heroes Park that they will be protected in the development plans for the site. At a town hall meeting hosted by the Prime Minister last night, he said there was no plan to take people out of their communities.
The government of Jamaica intends to ensure that all our built spaces are sustainable, meaning that in their design and construction, they work in symbiosis with the environment. That is, they respect and preserve the environment.
He told the residents and other stakeholders that while some buildings would be removed, government's intention was to provide infrastructure for the community to grow organically. That includes repurposing several buildings with heritage value. To those who will be relocated, Prime Minister Holness promised that they would not be disadvantaged during the process, which would be conducted over a protracted period.
Residents who will be affected should have no fear. The government will put in place a fair, that is equitable and transparent process.
Meanwhile, the Prime Minister has disclosed that the development to take place at National Heroes Circle will be put to tender. Mr. Holness revealed last night that a few companies that specialize in major developmental projects would draft the proposed plans. He stressed that the rules governing the procurement process would be adhered to, and the administration intended to ensure its engagement of companies was done in a transparent manner.
Once we have identified, we have finished the master plan, the procurement phase of it will be a competitive process. So I want to just rest everyone at ease with that.
Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett says Trelawney is moving to take its place as a key player in the tourism sector. The parish has attracted some major hotel developments in recent years, and about 6,000 additional rooms will be added along the corridor from Rio Bueno to Falmouth.
The development here has proven a few things to us, one of which is possible for us to have turnaround time for major construction that is less than 18 months.
The tourism minister was speaking at the recent official opening of the Excellence Oyster Bay Hotel in the parish. $110 million has been invested in the first phase of the development, which also employed about 1,500 persons. Situated on the private peninsula of Oyster Bay, the resort offers an adult-only, all-inclusive experience to high-end clientele. It features 315 suites with expansive living spaces, panoramic ocean views, and direct beach access. Minister Bartlett predicts that within a few years, the combined inventory of Trelawney and Montego Bay will account for 2/3 of the hotel room stock on the island. Still out west, the Urban Development Corporation, UDC, will be starting construction on a state-of-the-art beach park at the closed Harbor Beach in St. James in January. The 16-acre property, also known as Dump Up Beach, will be transformed into a world-class, multi-zoned public space. The project is to be completed within 2 years at a projected cost of $700 million. Project manager at the UDC, Kerry Moore O'Connor, made the announcement at the recent Invest Mobay Breakfast Forum. He said the National Contracts Commission last week approved the project contract, which would now be submitted to Cabinet for approval. The park will feature a jogging trail, soft and hard landscaping, an outdoor amphitheater, multipurpose courts, a children's play area, food kiosks, and a boardwalk, among other amenities. Access to the facility will be free. And finally, the Jamaica Customs Agency, JCA, is implementing measures to improve its operations at the wharf. Importers and customs brokers have been experiencing delays in clearing domestic containerized shipments since mid-September. So the JCA and Port of Kingston recently convened a meeting with key import players as part of efforts to enhance service delivery at the port. That meeting explored strategies that will be used to reduce the delays at the Freeport terminal. The parties agreed to improve communication and facilitate better port coordination with the Kingston Freeport Terminal. They also have committed to providing additional bays for the inspection of containers and making operational changes in areas which negatively impact clearance time and container examination. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.